Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to practice English with a fun and practical situation: ordering food at KFC. In this video, you will follow a simple and easy conversation between two friends. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly so you can relax and enjoy learning. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. Here is today's question. What size did Mina choose? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills more effectively. All right, are you ready? Let's begin.
Hey, Mina, are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry. I didn't eat much for breakfast today.
Me neither. So I have an idea. Look over there.
Oh, I see a KFC. I love their chicken.
Me too. I love KFC. So today, let's try ordering in English.
In English? At KFC? Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. It's a great place to practice English.
But I don't know what to say. How do you order food in English?
Don't worry. The phrases are very simple and easy to remember.
Really? I'm a little nervous. I've never ordered food in English before.
That's okay. Everyone feels nervous at first, but I'll help you.
What if I make a mistake? What if the staff doesn't understand me?
That's totally fine. Mistakes are part of learning, and the staff are always kind.
Okay, that makes me feel better. I'll try my best.
Great. That's the right attitude. So today's topic is how to order at KFC in English.
Sounds fun. I'm excited now. Let's go.
Let's do it. Oh, wait. Before we go in, did you know some fun facts about KFC?
Fun facts? No, I don't. Tell me.
Okay, first, do you know what KFC stands for?
I think it stands for Kentucky Fried Chicken, right?
That's right. Kentucky is a state in America.
Oh, so the name comes from a state. That's interesting.
Yes, and the founder was Colonel Sanders. Did you know that?
Colonel Sanders. I know him. He's the man with white hair and a white suit.
Yes, that's him. And here's a fun fact. He became successful with KFC when he was 65 years old.
65? Wow, that's amazing. Most people retire at that age.
Right? It's never too late to start something new. He became very successful after that.
That's a wonderful story. It gives me hope.
I think so too. Now here's another fun fact. Did you know that in Japan, many people eat KFC at Christmas?
Of course, I always eat KFC at Christmas. Doesn't everyone?
Actually, no. In other countries, eating KFC at Christmas is not common at all.
Really? That's surprising. What do they eat at Christmas then?
In America, many families eat turkey or ham for Christmas dinner.
Oh, I see. So KFC at Christmas is only a Japanese thing.
Yes, exactly. In other countries, KFC is just everyday fast food. People eat it for a quick lunch or dinner.
That's so different from Japan. I had no idea.
The world is full of surprises. Okay, let's go inside now.
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay, here's the menu. Can you see it? Let's look at it together.
Wow, there are so many choices. I don't know where to start.
That's okay. Let's start with the basics. Can you read some of the words on the menu?
Let me try. Chicken, sandwich, drink, fries, coleslaw.
Great job! You can read them all. Those are the main items on the menu.
What about this word? Combo. What does that mean?
Good question. A combo is a set meal. It comes with a main item, one side, and a drink.
Oh, I see. Like a set menu in Japan. That's easy to understand.
Exactly. Some restaurants say combo and some say meal. They mean the same thing.
Good to know. So, how do I actually order? What words should I use?
There are two easy phrases you can use. The first one is I'll have. For example, I'll have a chicken sandwich.
I'll have a chicken sandwich. That's simple. Like that?
Perfect, just like that. The second phrase is can I get? For example, can I get a combo, please?
Can I get a combo, please? That's easy too.
See? Both are natural. I'll have sounds a little more polite, and can I get is more casual. You can use either one.
That's good to know. I want chicken, but I can't decide. The sandwich looks good, but the original chicken also looks good.
Take your time. There's no rush. You can look at the pictures too.
Okay, I think I'll get the original chicken combo. I love the classic taste.
Good choice. That's my favorite too. So, do you want to try ordering by yourself?
By myself? That's a little scary, but okay, I'll try. I can do this.
Of course you can. I'll be right next to you if you need help.
Okay, that makes me feel safe. Let's go to the counter.
Hi there. Welcome to KFC. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get an original chicken combo, please?
Of course. Great choice. What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large.
Medium, please.
Medium. Got it. Your combo comes with one side. You can choose coleslaw, corn salad, fries, or mashed potatoes.
Oh, I can choose a side. Which one is popular?
The corn salad is very popular. A lot of people love it.
Okay, I'll have the corn salad, please.
Great choice. And what would you like to drink with that?
Oh, what drinks do you have?
We have cola, lemon tea, orange juice, ginger ale, and iced coffee.
I'll have a cola, please.
Sure thing. Anything else for you today?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, so let me repeat your order. One original chicken combo, medium size, with corn salad and a cola. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. Thank you.
Great. And is this for here or to go?
For here, please.
Okay, your total is $12.50. Would you like to pay with cash or card?
Card, please.
Sure. Please tap or insert your card here. Perfect. Thank you. Your order number is 32. We'll call your number when it's ready.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Great job, Mina. You did it. You ordered all by yourself.
I was so nervous. My heart was beating so fast, and my hands were shaking a little.
But you didn't make any mistakes. You did really well. I'm proud of you.
Thank you. That means a lot. Okay, let's eat. How's the chicken?
Let me take a bite. It's delicious. How about yours?
It's so good. The chicken is crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. I love it.
I'm glad you like it. The corn salad looks good too.
Yes, it's fresh and sweet. This is really tasty. I'm so happy right now.
That's great. You know, KFC menus are different in each country.
Really? How are they different? Tell me more.
Well, for example, in America, they have something called biscuits as a side dish.
Biscuits? Like sweet cookies?
Not exactly. American biscuits are different. They are soft and fluffy, like bread, and they are a little salty, not sweet.
Oh, that sounds really interesting. I want to try that someday.
You should. They are really good with butter and honey. Also, in some countries, KFC has rice meals.
Rice at KFC? That's surprising, but it sounds nice.
Yes, in the Philippines and some other Asian countries, rice is very popular at KFC. Many people often eat fried chicken with rice.
That makes sense. Rice is very popular in many Asian countries. Every country adds its own style.
Exactly. That's what makes it so interesting.
How's your food, Ken? Are the fries good?
Yes, they're great. I really like the fries here. They're hot and crispy and just the right amount of salty.
Can I try one?
Of course. Go ahead. Help yourself.
You're right. That's really good.
Right? Okay, I'm going to go back to the counter. I want to order some chicken to take home for my family.
Oh, good idea. Can I watch how you order?
Of course. You can learn some new phrases, too.
Hi again. Welcome back. What can I get for you?
Hi. I'd like to order some food to go, please.
Sure, no problem. What would you like?
Can I get a 6-piece original chicken, please?
6-piece original chicken to go. Got it. Anything else?
Yes. Can I also get 2 large fries?
2 large fries. Sure. Would you like any drinks with that?
Yes, please. I'll have 1 large cola and 1 large iced tea.
1 large cola and 1 large iced tea. Got it. Anything else?
Oh, one more thing. Can I get the cola with no ice, please?
No ice on the cola. No problem at all. Let me read back your order. A 6-piece original chicken, 2 large fries, 1 large cola with no ice, and 1 large iced tea, all to go. Is that right?
Actually, can I change the iced tea to a lemon tea instead?
Of course. Lemon tea instead of iced tea. No problem.
Great, thank you. How much is the total?
Your total comes to $23.80. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Please tap your card right here. Perfect. Thank you very much. Your order will be ready in about 5 minutes.
That sounds good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. We'll call you when it's ready.
Okay, we got everything. How do you feel now, Mina?
I feel great. I'm so happy that I ordered by myself today.
You should be really proud of yourself. You did an amazing job.
Thank you, Ken. Now, let's go over the key phrases from today. I want to remember them.
Great idea. Okay, the first phrase is, can I get? This is the most useful phrase for ordering food.
Right, like, can I get a chicken combo? Or, can I get a large cola?
Exactly. You can use it for anything you want to order. The second phrase is I'll have.
I'll have a sandwich, or I'll have a cola. Both phrases work at any restaurant, right?
Yes, both work at any fast food restaurants and at regular restaurants too.
Good. What about the question the staff asked me, for here or to go? That was an important one.
Yes, that's very important. The staff will always ask you that. If you want to eat at the restaurant, you say, for here, please.
And if you want to take the food home, you say, to go, please.
Perfect. You remembered everything. There's also anything else. The staff says this to check if you want more food.
Oh, right. If I don't want anything more, I can say, no, that's all, thank you.
That's right. And did you notice my trick with the drink? I said no ice.
Yes, no ice means you don't want any ice in your drink. That's a useful phrase.
And if you want just a little bit of ice, you can say light ice.
Oh, that's good to know. I learned so many things today.
You really did. And how did you feel about the whole experience?
Honestly, it was much easier than I expected. I was really scared before we started, but it was totally fine.
See? You don't need long sentences or difficult words. Short and simple English is always enough.
That's so true. Even just a few words can get the job done.
Exactly. The most important thing is to try. Don't be afraid of making mistakes.
I agree. I feel much more confident now. I want to practice ordering in English more often.
That's the spirit. Next time, let's try another restaurant.
Yes, I'd love that. Maybe a burger place or a pizza shop?
That sounds great. We can learn even more useful phrases there.
I can't wait. This is so much fun.
Me neither. Remember, short English is good English.
Short English is good English. I like that.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask you the question again. What size did Mina choose? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.